What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to download Flight Simulator on your PC or laptop fast and easy. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. All you need to do, just open Steam like me and move here to store and type here Flight Simulator and you will see this first. Click on it, move here add to cart, click on it and go view my card. After that, go here continue to payment, choose PayPal or credit card like me and go here continue. Click on PayPal, login on your account like me. After that, when you purchase game, you get your game in library. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download and install Flight Simulator on your PC or laptop fast and easy. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in the next video.